Introducing the 2008 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.